Hey, how's it going, guys? This is my third episode or tutorial on how to use Iweb. Let's just begin by mentioning how you publish your site to the actual internet. I don't think I've really gone over this in my previous videos, so I want to make sure everyone understands that how you publish it to the web. Now, it's much easier if you have MobileMe, because MobileMe will handle the hosting aspect of your website. Now, you still need to secure a domain name through GoDaddy.com or any other site. There's a lot of them that do that for a yearly fee. Usually it's under $20. So if you look at the screen here, it says, by the way, all I did was just click on my site name here at the top. Then I go to publish to. In this case, it'll be MobileMe. Site name, right now I just called it site. Contact email, and then MobileMe account information. Now you also need to go to MobileMe and set this up as well. So this is the first part. Then you go to MobileMe and you specify some things on the MobileMe side, i.e. your domain name. Okay, then you go down. That's really it. I've already discussed how you can update to Facebook when your site is published. Okay, now now that we've got that out of the way, you understand how to publish your site. Now we've already discussed all the options you have across the bottom. We've discussed all the options you have here over in the media bar. Now let's look a little bit closely at some of the options you have across the top here, which are the same as some of the options down here on the bottom. Okay, if you click Iweb and you just go, let's look at preferences real quick. Now there's not a lot of preferences here you can do. It just basically talks about alignment guides, import images, optimizing it, auto update. So it's not a lot of stuff you can do there in general preferences. Let's look at file here. Here you can go new page, new site, which is the same thing you can do on the bottom of the interface here. You can close, you can save, you can revert to a saved previous version. You can publish the entire site, visit published site, check for new comments. Now you can set your website up to where people can make comments, and you can actually have it embedded there in your website. You can set up Google AdSense. If you don't know what Google AdSense is, just Google search it. It's basically you pay Google to kind of advertise your site. Set up personal domain or MobileMe. I'm going to talk about that in more depth a little bit later. And page setup is just how the page is set up. Go to edit. You got your standard stuff like normal. Undo, cut, copy, paste, etc. Now insert. You could do you can insert date and time, hyperlink, shape, button, widget. Now the reason none of this is in black lettering or available to do is because I haven't selected any part of my page. If I go, let me just go to About Us. Give me 1 second here. Okay, there it is. About Us. If I select a text box and I go to insert, now you can see that I can do certain things with that. So that's insert. If you go to format, you can format the font, the text, the graphic style. You can also mask any area defined with a shape. If you go to arrange, you can bring forward, you can bring to front. Now what that means is if you have something behind your text, you can bring it to the front so that you can edit it. You can align the objects left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. Distribute objects horizontal, vertically. You have to select an entire web page to be able to do that. Now view are the same things you can get to by using the bottom of the interface. You can show the layout, you can show the inspector, You can show colors, adjust image, and hide media. That's all available to you right on the bottom of Iweb, or the bottom of that interface. Now the window, you can zoom, minimize, bring to front, and then you have your standard help menu, which gives you some tutorials and things of that nature. Now let's just talk about some things in general that I wanted to bring to your attention. If you look on my first page here, by the way, I'm almost finished with my site. It's called tacticalforceinc.com. So go check it out if you get an opportunity. These clocks right here, all I did was I went to worldtimeserver.com, and you copy and paste an HTML wording, and you put it, kind of embed it into your website. And I'll show you how to do that real quick. I think I've already gone over this, but let's just do it again. Okay, basically what you're going to do is you paste or type HTML to embed into your page. All I did was I went to the name server, world time server. I got that code and I put it into this box here, and I click apply, and I did that 4 times for different areas. So that's how I got that there. If you notice here on the page, you have made on a Mac at the bottom. You don't have to have that. You can actually delete that out. Let me just show you real quick how to do that. You go to insert, you go to button, and then you just click, and I'll take it out right now. Just click made on Mac, and there it goes. It disappears. Okay, let's move on. I'm trying to keep this video to under 10 minutes, so let's move on here. By the way, anytime that you make changes, you'll see over here on the left hand side, you get a little red page tab. That means the changes are being made. So when you publish it, it'll go ahead and change it, and it'll change back to blue. Okay, I'm kind of waiting here for it to actually move from page to page. Okay, I've already talked about this, but you can also embed YouTube links into your web page, and I've done that here. Now all you have to do is just drag and drop this YouTube box. This is available over here in the media bar. You click it here, and then you just paste the YouTube URL here and click apply, and that's it. Then those videos appear in your web page. Okay guys, trying to think if anything else I should cover real quick here. Let's just go real quick to going to set up your personal domain on MobileMe. I remember I just talked about setting that up here on the Iweb side. Now if we do it on the MobileMe side, you just sign into your MobileMe account. You go to personal domain, and if you don't have one here, it'll say something like setup. You click that, and it's going to ask you a couple questions. What is your domain name? And from there, it's going to take a little while, and then you'll be hosted by MobileMe. Don't forget, you need to go and pay for a domain name, a unique domain name with another company. Okay guys, that is tutorial number 3 on Iweb. If you have any questions about using Iweb, please let me know. I'll probably make one final video with some kind of some hints, shortcuts, clues, that type of thing. If you have any questions, please let me know. Until then, take care.